This weather, it actually doesn't know how to make its mind up. One week it's snowing, next week it's sunny. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. I'm your boy, your host, and your mechanic KB. And in today's video, we're actually gonna be doing a mod. I don't think it's gonna take too long. I hope it's not going to take too long. So in this video, we're going to be retrofitting the rear tail lights from the pre-facelift to the facelift version. I just want to do this mod because it's going to update the look of the car. And we've already done the front bumper and rear bumper, so I'm thinking to update the back, another thing I can do is change the tail lights. And also, what I want to do in this video, I want to change the front headlight bulbs because they're a bit yellow, but they're the original normal bulb types, and I want to put on, I think it's LED ones? I don't know, the H7 bulbs. But I followed the little diagram, little post on a forum. I'm going to link it in the description below just in case you guys want to follow it as well. That being said, let's just get into the show. I want to first off show you guys what the lights look like, what the rear tail lights look like, the new ones I'm going to put on anyway. I picked them up both £15 each. Turns out they were from the same seller, so save money on shipping. Good little pointer right there. So like I said, the front lights are going to be H7 bulbs. H7 LED bulbs. They should literally plug into the same connector. I'm not going to make the same mistake like last time of cutting the connectors and trying to join them together. These should just plug and play, hopefully. For the rear tail lights now, so the main difference on the rear tail lights is this little strip here, which I believe is the indicator strip. I think they came in bulbs as well. Oh, that is perfect. They do need a little bit of cleaning. Don't want to do that. I'll do that off camera. One thing you will need are a set of washers and a set of nuts to fit around these little connector bits. I don't know. These little connector bits. Little pointer. If you go to Wilkinson's, you can fill up the small bag with any bolts, nuts that they've got on the selection. And I think you pay £2.50. As you can see, I filled up with random bolts, nuts, just so for future builds, if I needed anything else, they're already here. But in there's the washers and then there's the nuts as well. So I can literally just blop, 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 done. £2.50 Wilco's. That's a little pointer. This little modification should be quick, easy. Should be a quick little video today. It should actually be a quick little video today. Those are famous last words. Oh well. Let me pack these lights back up to the box, get all the tools that I need, and then get around to the front of the car. Sound good? Great. Like I explained before, the main difference is, hold on, let me get the other light out. You see from the new light, old light, the main difference is that strip right there in the middle and this other little reverse strip at the bottom here. This was obviously the indicator, and that was the reverse light, which I don't think I have a reverse light, but I just looked back over my footage. There's no reverse light. So I need to get a new bulb. That was obviously the reverse light, that's the indicator. It's obviously moved now. That's the indicator up here, reverse light's there. So we're gonna need to do some little modifications on the wiring. Indicator, reverse light. Obviously the new one is still in the box. But let me set you guys up, start taking that apart. Yeah, start getting that on. Oh, I'm actually slightly excited for this one, because that's technically the rear done. Obviously the number plate, we need to do the new number plate, but that's coming in the post, Don't worry about that one. But yeah, let's do that. Can you press the brake? Okay, perfect. The hazards. Perfect. Switch your lights on. Oh. What? No. Key. turn it all the way to the right. Yeah, she's on. That's on. Okay, I was gonna say the reverse light, but I know my bulbs are blown anyway. So let's not worry about the reverse lights. Let's not worry about them. You know how to start my car, right? I need you to reverse a little bit. Put the car in reverse.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, that was it. Oh no, that's forward. Push it all the way. Yeah, perfect. Handbrake down. Keep it coming. That's it. Perfect, thank you. Alright, go on, switch it on. Yep. Is that on? Yep, it's on. 1 second. Boom. Put on the brake light. Perfect. On. Put on hazards. Not messed up in other hazards. Boom. Ooh. Okay. Alright, you're gonna switch it off now. With that being done, I think we'll finish off the video. Oh. If you liked today's episode, obviously hit a thumbs up. You know what to do. Hit a thumbs up. If you disliked it, it comes down. We like positive criticism here. I've been your boy, I've been your host, I've been your goddamn mechanic KB, and I'm out. Enjoy your day.